Ganito ang karaniwang makikita sa Galileo Enrichment Learning Program na tinatag ng grupo ni Rowena Mati, Chief Executive Officer ng Galileo. Full-time mother na nakaisip gawing business ang pagtuturo sa mga kids sa mathematics at English.
Kaya namin siya sinimulan is because the Filipinos really have a hard time with math. So to address that problem, we work with educators kasi talagang ang dream nila is for the Filipinos to become better in math. And now, another problem is yung English, diba? So those two subjects are addressed by Galileo.
Hindi ito isang eskwelahan, kundi isang learning center para sa mga may edad 3 hanggang 12 anyos. 1,700 pesos kada 8 sessions, English or math subject.
Sometimes there are too many students in one class, but the teacher has to follow a curriculum. So may bata na nahihirapan, na iwanan siya. The child actually, kaya siya naiwanan, needs more exercises. Or baka hindi pa niya mastered yung topic. So the role of the enrichment of Galileo is to help the child catch up with schoolwork para ma-master niya yung mga topic na hindi niya na-master in school.
Eto pa, naging mabilis ang pagdami ng mga Galileo Enrichment Learning Program sa bansa na umabot na sa 23 centers. Dahil maging sa ganitong business ay pwede ring mag-franchise.
Most of our partners are mothers. So mothers who want to improve the grades of their children, some of them, they tried bringing their child to a Galileo center. They saw their children improve. So they want to bring it in their area so that they can offer it to the other children in their community.
May 5 klase ng approach meron ang Galileo para makapagturo sa mga bata na sinamahan pa ng matsatsagang educators na karamihan ay mga mommy na rin.
We have 5 ways of teaching them. And we have the Book Galaxy. So this one, we have a complete reading list for each topic. Tactile Launchpad naman are materials, puzzles, to help them understand the topic. So like ito, if you want to teach them the numbers, they feel it so that they'll understand it. Kasi diba, there are children who understand by touching it and feeling it. Ito, space race. So here, we have flashcards so that they'll become quick in answering. Another center that they enjoy most is the Cyber Explorer. So you have to be in tune rin with what the children want. Ngayon talagang computer. And then, lastly, is the Nova Data. Here, they do worksheets. So this is actually what he's doing. Para ma-practice sila sa writing.
Maliban sa actual na pagtuturo sa mga bata, nagbebenta rin sila dito ng isang libro na pwede ring matuto sa bahay ng mathematics ng kids.
Yung Fantastic Mathematics, bago siya dun sa series ng Galileo. Kasi nakita namin na maraming nag-e-enjoy nung program, kaya lang hindi lahat makapunta sa center namin para makapag-enroll at matutunan yung Galileo. So, we came out with a book for them to be able to access the program.
Kaya naman mga mami, para di masayang ang oras ng inyong mga kids, bakit hindi natin silang subukan dalhin dito sa Galileo?
They do 5 things. They learn each topic in 5 different ways. We make it fun and interesting for them. When they come here, they think they're playing. But instead of just playing with computer games that are not educational, they can do this. Of course, they can still do that. Limited lang yung time.
Maraming salamat po sa watercolor sa Shangri-La Mall for our makeup.
At salamat din sa Miss 60 Eyewear, available po sa Optical Works sa Podium at sa F101 at syempre sa iyong partner at sa iyong mga staff
Anytime.
for having us here again sa Island Cove. Salamat.
Till next time.
Hanggang sa susunod na weekend, mga suki, ako pa rin po ang inyong negosyo diva, Ami Perez.
At ako naman po ang inyong partner sa pag-asenso, Gilbert Remulla po. At ito ang kabuhayang Swak na Swak! bahala sa kusina, ang mga anak naman ang nasa... Ay, sorry po. At partner, hindi lang sikreto dito yung... Sabi ko, at partner, hindi lang secret recipe ni Mami ang sikreto dito. Ang sikreto na naman eh. Hindi lang secret, pati diskarte ng kanyang dalawang anak na ngayon ay, one more time,
Sabay-sabay tayo.
yan sa pagbabalik ng kabuhayang swak na swak.
Ako pala, nakalimutan ko yung swak na